Imagine you're talking to someone. Everything is going perfect until they say, "I'm sorry, but your breath is stinky." Like, And that moment, your personality gets damaged and confidence level just drops down. But that never happened to me because I follow this easy, simple oral hygiene routine to avoid minus aura moment. And bonus point, I'm also gonna show you the natural alternatives of all the steps at the end of this video. So grab some snacks and let me spill the tea. Okay, so let's start with flossing. Honestly, most of us think brushing is enough, but food particles get stuck between teeth where toothbrush can reach. Imagine you just ate lunch and didn't floss. Those tiny bites sitting there can start causing bad breath without you even realizing. So make it a habit. Just a minute a day can make a huge difference. Step 2. Tongue scraper. This one's a game changer. Did you know most bad breath actually comes from your tongue? I know it sounds kinda gross, but scraping your tongue in the morning removes all that buildup. And don't worry, it's super quick, just 5 to 10 seconds, but it makes your breath way fresher. Step 3. Dentonic powder. But only if you have yellow teeth problem. If your teeth are already white, skip this step. This powder helps remove stubborn stains and keeps your teeth sparkling honestly. It's like a little magic in your daily routine. Step 4. Brushing properly. Of course, brushing is still key, but don't just rush through it. Spend at least 2 minutes brushing, covering all areas, front, back, and chewing surface to kick the residues. Step 5. And finally, mouthwash. If you want your breath to smell squeaky fresh and clean, this gives that final fresh feeling, especially if you're talking to people all day or if you're not, just do it. It's like the cherry on top. Your breath stays fresh and feel you more confident. Now, as I said earlier, if you don't have mouthwash or dentonic powder or flosser, I have tried and tested alternatives of all those steps. If you don't have mouthwash, grab a jar, fill up with warm water, and add cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. Let them soak for overnight, and here you go. Your homemade natural mouthwash is ready. Trust me, it can be better than market one. And if you don't have artificial dentonic powder, then I'm gonna show you the ancient beauty hack that my grandma used to follow to keep their teeth sparkling white. And it's charcoal powder. If you try charcoal powder on your teeth for a week, I guarantee you will never buy dentonic powder again. And it's also scientifically proven. And if you don't have teeth floss, then you can use the normal stitching thread with same method as market one. Make sure that your thread is clean and germs free to avoid any oral problem. And yeah, that's it. Try this routine for a week and yeah, you're welcome.